Hey all, Angrit Kishore this side from Step Fleet and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is Bank Nifty chart and these are new levels marked using volume profile. So before giving any analysis for tomorrow, let me give you a follow up of yesterday's video. Okay, wait. So I've taken a screenshot because levels has been changed and because of the move which happened today, it is bound to be changed. So okay, let me give you a follow up first, then I will do the analysis for tomorrow. So here, if you will see, after opening here market after opening here it just in the very first candle it has broken yesterday's low. Okay, and that too it kept on going down and down only. Okay, and it has after opening and from the opening point to the lowest point it is about more than 550 points. Okay, and after then it took support in this particular range which I have been marked, and I have shown these range also to you. So after then it has taken support here from here and kept on being a range bound for around one and a half more than 1.5 hours, and then it again got blasted. Means today was a very wild day. Okay, and in those particular day making money using option hedging is quite difficult, and that is why I took exit somewhere in this particular candle at as and when this candle broke the low, and after then the second candle break it's gave a follow up of it. So I just took exit from a hedge position, and also IV was spiking at the starting of the day. So that was not at all a good condition for any option hedger. Okay, and that too when premiums are very low. So that is why that's how things goes today. Now coming directly to Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, because there is nothing more to tell you about this particular move, because these are very wild moves, and analyzing these things is not in our hand. Okay, so and this I think this is only happening because of the lack of volume which is occurring in the market. Okay, these big moves are coming like anything in between only. Okay, this particular candle is of around 300 points. Okay, and why this happening? Because of the lack of volume. If volume will be there, then whatever big volumes anyone is selling or anyone is buying, they will get absorbed somewhere here. Means if buyers and sellers will active there. But as of now, volumes are deteriorating because of the lack of margin, and because these big moves are happening, and we have to get used to of it. If they means SEBI does not perform anything out of it. Okay, let's directly get into Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Wait. So if market opens anywhere in this particular zone, okay, this is both sideways and gap down zone for me. So then this is a very big zone. Okay, this itself is a very big zone. So, and this zone is from 34,820 to 34,920, around 100 points of zone. So here after opening अगर market sideways या gap down होता है, okay, then you have to wait for any of these to gets broken. Okay, then only you have to look for target, because here also this is a very big move. This is a target of more than 180 points, and which we can achieve if this gets broken. And in the on the upside, this is a move of 120 points. So here we have to keep a SL of 80 point at max, and here we have to keep our SL of 100 point at max. Okay, this is how we have to trade if market opens sideways and gap down. And now the last thing, that is if market opens gap up, it means in this particular range, then this will a no trading zone for you. Because here market if you will see in this particular day also, market sustained in this particular range for a very long period of time. So the same can happen. That is why here you don't need to trade, you have to just wait for any of these levels to get broken, and then only you have to take entry. Okay, this is how you have to trade if market opens gap up. Okay, and these are the levels. So you can take a screenshot of these levels. Otherwise if you want me to spell, then wait. See, this range means this particular range is from 35055 to 35115. This range is from 35230 to 35280, and this is from 35525 to 35600. But the downside is from 34820 to 34920, and this is 34585 to 34640. Okay, so please take a screenshot for your reference and for tomorrow's trading. So that's all as analysis, and this is my Telegram channel. If you want to join this channel, then please do join. The link is already in description box. Here I used to share everything, like I used to share some chart for your learning and to let you know the price action in the simplest way possible. I also share some trades for positional as well as intraday in both equity script and Bank Nifty. But in Bank Nifty I used to share trades very less, once or twice in a week also. Okay, so this is how, if you want to join, the link is already in description box, तो आप उसे एक बार चेकआउट कर लो. और ठीक है, फिर दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई एंड एंड थैंक्स अलॉट फॉर योर टाइम एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू लाइक माई कंटेंट देन प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड ऑल्सो शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड. थैंक्स अलॉट, बाय बाय.